Hi everybody, it's Kathy and welcome back to my channel. I finally received my FabFitFun box. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. But before I do, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I have a few more unboxings coming up soon and I would love to have you join my little YouTube family. So this is my very first FabFitFun box. So I'm anxious to open it up. And I have my little assistant who is very interested in what is in the box. So let's go ahead and open it up. I think he just wants the box. So that's what it looks like. It says find your cozy. Okay, I guess it's because it's winter time. So it comes with this magazine with Burke on the cover. See, buddy? It's very interesting. Yes. Well, can you just like give me a minute? Let me open the box, buddy. Okay, I know you're super excited, but can you just sit down and wait? But this was a bonus. This was really one of the reasons why I wanted to try the box. It is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. And it's I'm not sure how much this is, but I think it's around $30 or $40 Canadian. So the box alone, it was worth this to buy the box. And for my fellow Canadian viewers, just to let you know, I think the box was around $70 Canadian. There are no additional duties or fees whenever it was delivered to me. And it came in a brown nondescript box. So let's get started. There is a HelloFresh gift card. I guess that's some sort of a meal delivery thing. I probably won't use that. And there's, what is this? Oh, a coupon for $10 off your first box. So that's interesting. I guess normally the box is $39.99 American, but if you do decide to try it, always search for a promo code. When you do any online shopping, always look for a promo code. Never pay full price. Okay, so let's get started. So I have seen a few other unboxings and I was expecting this, and I'm so happy I got the gray throw because I don't like beige, and this will go great. Because at nighttime, Buddy and I like to snuggle with a blanket. Buddy, look, you got a blanket. Are you happy about the blanket? Okay, you just sit there with your blanket. Seriously? Now, Buddy's really excited about the blanket. Okay, buddy, settle down. Okay, sit down, please. Okay, now let's see what else we got. I knew that I was getting this. It's a hair mask because I had a choice. And I thought that this would be good to try not only for me, but for my daughter. So we could do like a spa day at home. Oh, it smells very nice. You want to smell it? Oh, you like that? We could mask up your hair. So I'm excited to try that. And I got some hyaluronic acid eye masks. Oh, it must be those things that go under your eyes. There's 5 masks in here. So that's great because some days I'm, you know, tired and could use a little help in the under eye department. And this is by Ahava, and it's a hydration cream mask. Yay, I'm happy to get that because my skin is very dehydrated now that the furnace is on all the time. So far, this box is looking good. Okay, and this I believe is a highlight pen from Thrive Causemetics. I have heard a little bit about this brand. I believe that they help women So this is a nice little highlight pen. That'll be nice like to highlight underneath the brow bone or in the corner of the eye. So far so good. This is by Anthropologie. I don't know, is that the store Anthropologie? I've never heard of them. It's coconut sugar and it is, oh, I can't even make this out. It's a body cream, I guess. Let's smell it, buddy. Ooh, smells like coconut. Smell, bud. You like that? I don't know if yeah, you don't like coconuts either, right? I like them in my drink, but I don't like to smell like coconuts. Oh, a Jade roller. I had bought myself a Jade roller so I could maybe give this to somebody. They're great for putting on sheet masks. That's how I use them. But as I've told you before, they're also great at helping to drain your sinuses if you get a headache. I find if I just roll on my forehead and then over my eyes and then sort of down on the cheek, it just helps to drain the sinuses and takes the pressure off of the headache. I'm not sure what this is. Looks like a necklace. So I got this necklace, which I actually will keep. I like it. It's silver. I don't like gold, so I like silver. So let's just try this on and see what it looks like. How does it look? What do you think? Is it me? Yes? Okay, I see I got the Brooke flying saucer things. I did not want these things. I'm not going to use them. You know what? I think I'm going to give them to the Humane Society and the dogs can use them as frisbees because I would probably break my neck using these things. You're somehow supposed to stand on them and exercise? No. So that's the first disappointment in the box. Oh, and I guess that's everything in the box. So there, buddy. Where'd you go? Here's your box. So first impressions overall, my very first FabFitFun box. I am pleased. And it is a box that I would like to try again. I didn't sign up for the annual membership because I didn't want to put all that money out. Just to make sure, you know, that I would like the box. But out of the 3 boxes that I have tried so far, I would still give first spot to the Canadian box, the, what was it called? Simply Beautiful by BC Living. I really like that. And I think I should receive my winter box today, fingers crossed. And then absolutely I would like this box. It is a little bit more money for us in Canada because with the exchange, and I think the duty is figured into the price. But like I said, always look for a coupon code. I believe in the US you pay $39.99, but if you get a $10 coupon code off, that sort of subsidizes the shipping to Canada, which I believe they charge an additional $8. So for $70, I would have to add everything up, and I will do that in the description box. But I would say I probably got between $200 and $300 worth of product if you go by their the price list in this little magazine, which I will look at. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this unboxing, and if you like my video and would like to see more beauty, fashion, lifestyle related content, I hope that you will stick around, click that subscribe button and the notification bell beside it, and most importantly, have a wonderful day. Bye.